Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a room in Character AI. So first we got to get to Character AI, then just Google it and click on Character AI. This is the first on the list in Google. So we're here, just make sure you have an account right here so we can use all the functions. We click on create a room, and now we have the three brackets to fill. The first one is the room name. Let's call it a history room. Now we get to pick the characters from the ones that are created already. So let's just choose. Let's just choose some random ones. Well, let's get a Napoleon here, perhaps. And just someone else. And now we got to fill room topic. We'll be talking about ancient history. Let's click on create. And now the room was created, and as you can see, all the characters we chose are starting to talk with each other. You can also join the conversation and ask them some question or something to engage with them a bit more. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.